wow. This just popped out of nowhere, sort of at the end of one of the little fire trails that I was exploring down through here. Man, is that awesome. So it's finally time for lunch. Today I've just got myself a nice Scotch fillet steak, some broccolini, mushrooms, and we're going to cook them up in garlic butter and duck fat. I'm really keen. If you can't tell, I've been excited for lunch all day, and what a better spot to have it in. How good is this spot? It'd be awesome to camp here as well. There's evidence of people camping here. What a view. Well, if that's lunch, we've certainly had it, and I think that we finished up just in time because the rain is starting to roll in. And what a fantastic spot. I'm so glad that I was able to enjoy lunch here before it started raining. But now, looks like we're going to have to make a beeline out of here before it gets too wet.